this video, we will go over the steps to install the RTSA software. First, open the Aronia Downloads page where the RTSA Suite Pro software is available. There are different versions of the software. Select the one that matches your operating system. In this example, the installer is for Windows 10 and 11. There are also different versions for various Linux operating systems. You can ignore the older V5 version shown in the list. It is intended for legacy devices. For V6 Plus and V6 Eco, use one of the dedicated V6 Plus or V6 Eco installers. After downloading, you will have an executable file. Right-click this file and select Run as administrator. In the language selection dialog, choose English and click OK. On the welcome screen, click Next to continue. Read the license agreement. Check I agree to these terms and conditions, then click Next. The installer shows information about the installation size. Click Next to proceed. On the options screen, make sure Install Spectran V6 driver and Install FTDI USB driver are both checked. Then click Install. When the installation is complete, an Installation Completed dialog appears. Before starting the application, it is important to connect the Spectran V6 correctly to the PC. Refer to the Hardware Configuration Guide for detailed connection instructions. The device uses 3 USB connections labeled Data, Boost, and Power. It is recommended to use a USB 3.1 power connection to the power port. The data connection can also supply power. An additional USB connection is required if you use real-time bandwidth greater than 120 MHz. USB 3.0 or higher cables must be used for optimal performance. Do not use USB 2.0 cables as they limit data rate and may cause errors. Once the cables are connected and the device is ready, return to the Installation Completed dialog. Check Start the application and click Finish. The Data Protection dialog appears. Check for major updates at application startup so you are notified about new versions. You can also choose to participate in the Experience Improvement Program to help improve product quality. Click OK to confirm your choices. The RTSA software now starts for the first time. In the Open Factory Mission dialog, select Open Empty Mission. The RTSA software is now successfully installed and ready for use. For more information, check out our other videos on our YouTube page or visit erroniausa.com.